Hi friends, parking facility is a very common requirement for high-rise buildings, apartments, societies, markets and everywhere. At this channel DGCN, we are exploring the ideas and solutions through which we can create a digital asset, digital business that can be a source of permanent income forever. In this video, I am going to show you a solution through which you can own a parking booking system, parking lot booking system, and you can offer this service to your respective area and you can earn money from this. So I'm going to show you the backend, the super admin panel and the user panel for this parking management system. Stay tuned until the end of this video. If you are really willing to set a digital asset, digital business, you will certainly get a solution for you on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe this channel if you are coming to this channel very first time. Let us begin. So this is being the front end of this parking management system. There can be different parking lots and the spaces can be displayed here. How many car or vehicle can be parked in this particular tower or parking lot, and the users of this portal, the registered users of this portal will book the parking according to availability of a space. So like this is the concept tower, total available space is for 20 vehicles, 2 already occupied, 18 available, and it can be booked further. So let us go to the admin panel of this system. This is the dashboard of super admin panel that is showing the details, the summary in short, like total bookings and the today's bookings, active bookings and all such things. And first of all, as you are going to be owner of the system, administrator, super administrator of the system, you have to make some settings. So I'll show you the setting screen first. In the setting screen, you are going to whitelist this model for you. So you have to update the profile. First of all, what you want to keep as your profile, and you can upload your photo. It is going to be super simple. You don't need any technical attention or knowledge for operating such solutions, and you can own this solution under $100. Again, all solutions available, almost all the solutions shown on this channel for setting up a digital business comes under $100. So you are going to be a owner of a business under $100. Yes. So like this is the setup profile. You have to update the profile at very first time as an administrator. On the next screen for settings, you are going to make your application own. You are going to whitelist the application. Here you have to put the Google Map because this is API for Google Map. You can create API for Google Map. Just in case if you need any support, we are going to create all these things for you. Don't worry. Okay, so you have to update the Google Map API. It is being a parking management system. So Maps is about a mandatory thing for this system. Okay, so you are going to change the name of this system solution, and you can change the meta key, the mobile numbers and all such details. Even you can put your own logo and the slider logos and the social connects URL here. And you can enable the SMS and email notification. Of course, for enabling the SMS notification, you need to configure the SMS gateway as well. But yes, email notification can be enabled without any additional efforts. Okay, so this is the basic setting, and with this setting, you can start delivering the solution through this system. And I'm taking you back to the dashboard. I'm on home. And I'll show you the next screens that is available so that you may get the complete idea about the solution, the system, and you will be able to buy this solution through the video description link. Yes, I'll show you where and what amount you have to pay so that you may plan your business accordingly. So I'll show you the client screen. First of all, how many users are registered in the system. You can export the list of users in CSV, Excel or PDF format, and you can even directly print the user. So these are the users who are going to use your system, and you can list all the users, and you can add a new users, new client from this screen. You have to put the basic details of clients, and you will be able to registered the users. Of course, this is a vehicle parking, so you have to use the vehicle license number and the vehicle photo so that and the system may be secure and valuable for everyone. Okay, so you can create the parking zones now. So as I said, you can create multiple parking zones as available in your control. So suppose you are having access on 10 parking zones, you can create 10 parking zones. Even the system can be used for a single parking zone. You can simply enable the parking zone by using this toggle option, and you can use this screen for adding new parking zone, and you can use this map preview like parking place name, latitude and longitude has to be placed so that the visitors and the users may exactly locate the parking zone and reach to the parking venue. Also, the address will be mentioned here, the parking limit and the space available. Additional note if you want to keep here. So it is again very simple and interactive. So parking zones can be handled from this screen. Now next, you can create the vehicle types that you are allowing to park in the parking zones, which type of vehicle the users can park there, like bus, car and all. So you can add new vehicle types here, and it is again a simple screen. The next thing is the thing that we are willing to have, the pricing screen. So how many fee you are going to charge for each parking or as a member. So you can choose the parking zone name, like parking, select an option. You have whatever you have created, like if the parking zone name is Center Plaza. So the car parking fee, the time, slots, and select options for minute and the price you can add here. And accordingly, the system will charge the parking fee from the vehicle owners, of course, for their parking. Promo codes, you can run the promo codes just for offering some discount, like if your parking lot is going free, and if you want to run a promotion, you can give the promo code and you can add a new promo code from this screen. It is again a simple screen. So you have to put the details and promo code will be generated. Next is the email history. So you can send new email to the users from this screen. You don't need to log in at your email even. You can send email directly from the system. Email history can be seen what mail has been sent by the system or directly by you. So if it is system sent email, it is like this automated type and you can directly send an email. So you can set the email parameters like SMTP details has to be set here so that the email system may function. So you have to simply put the mail port and the username, password and mail host and all such things. So you will be able to integrate the email solution for you. Similarly, the SMS history is another part that, as I said, you can send new SMS, you can check SMS history, and you have to configure the SMS gateways here on this screen. So the popularly known message gateway, Click, Attend, Herobi or the budget SMS is available for here. You can take subscription from there and you can use the API key for integration. Direct integration will be available. Okay, so bookings. This is again very important. This is the main feature in fact. So booking type, like if you are going for manual booking, users can book their parking from their user end. I mean from their user login. I'll show you that login. And you can also manually book the parking lots at the administrator screen. So this is the screen, like you have to select the car parking zone or parking zone vehicle type and the period and the departure time and space. So space model will be available here and client ID. So you can write the client ID, you can search the client ID directly. You can add a new client if the client is coming for very first time or a single type. You can add a new client so that you may keep all the details of, and you can go for booking now option. So if booking is going to be from two sources, either from user end or you can directly book the parking from your, and you can track all the bookings for today. So this is report type thing. Active bookings can be seen here. Further details can be seen like token, paid now, a release. So this is also very important. And if you have received the token, want to print the token, you can generate a new token here. And it is really very important for sharing the tokens to the vehicle owners. And you can check for the details like concept tower, parking zone, like this is the space that I was discussing. So parking slots and the limit, and can be seen all such things. So details can be seen here. And further, this is a new screen in fact. And you can check the client ID, who is using the system client. So can be seen here, and the active and also great reports. Paid booking can be seen on this screen. Further details can be checked here. You can release the code token, and you can release or delete or whatever action you want to take for parking. Unpaid booking, if you are offering any free booking, so it can be reported here, and the bookings, the complete booking can be seen here. So this is a report for bookings that is being made by the users or directly by Google. Further reports is another section where we can get reports, summary reports, like you can filter the date, you can end date, all bookings and active bookings, today's booking, and further options for parking lot or zone, the action, client ID, and the search. Like if you are looking for a specific client, you can filter all the data for the client, how many times he or she came to your parking lot, and what is the payment status and all. So further details can be seen here. Like this is the area, new parking zone, edit parking zone, or parking zones can be seen here. So it is going to be super simple. You have to make a simple practice of using the system, and you'll be able to run the system without any flaw. Now I am going to show you the user end screens. Now I am logged in as user. I am going to book the system. So like car parking is available here. I'm going to book this solution for me. As an user, I can select an option. I can select the vehicle license, the hours, and the promo code. So what is available here can be selected easily. Select a space if I am willing to have this 14th space. It is depending upon the how the spaces are arranged in the parking lot. And further, I am going to book this system. Either I can pay the booking on the online gateway like PayPal is here, or at the time of exit, I can pay directly to the parking lot owner. So this is going to be very simple for a user, and user can directly check the Google locality. So it is not properly configured yet. You will definitely able to configure all such things. For Google Maps. The solution is will look like this for user, and for the user can check their booking history, how many times he or she had booked the parking lot, which is the lot, and for the details like just for printing purposes can be used, like all such things. So new booking can be made from here. So it is a very simple solution, but it is very effective, and nowadays it is an era of digital solutions, the softwares and all. So it is going to be a super useful solution for your locality if you are providing this solution in your locality for parking owners. As a solution provider, you can even get some money, good amount of money in fact. So you can sell this system because it is a complete script that you can install at a domain at your server, and the script is called CK Smart Parking Reservation System. I'm going to add the link of this script where you can buy the script. And again, if you need any support for installation and making it live, we are available. Just write in the comment section or follow the links. We will be available for you. And if you are considering the cost, the script will cost you $49, and in about $50 you can also have a hosting for a year or so. So it is going to be a complete solution for parking reservation system under $100. And as I said, you are going to own a digital business under $100. So I believe this solution is really going to be a mark for you. You are going to make such solution, use such solution for your digital earning solution, and you will be able to earn some good amount of money. Explore others as well. So there are many solutions available on the channel. You are certainly going to choose one or many, in fact, and you will be owner of digital solutions. So in the next video, I'm coming with more good things for you. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.